If the stars collide, she relieve my soul. And when we feel alive, I know she'll let me go. When you read my lips, I know you feel my cold. But I'm